Hi, this is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the Retrieve Asset Issuance History node. If you don't know what a Retrieve Asset Issuance History node is, make sure you check out the previous video at this link. Let's get started. Drag a Retrieve Asset Issuance History node into your workspace. Double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field, choose your Catenis virtual device. Add the node's configuration information based on your needs to each field. Wire this node to a debug node and open the debug sidebar. Next, drag and drop an inject node to the Node-RED workspace. Wire the inject node to the Retrieve Assets Issuance History node, then double-click the inject node to open its Properties slide-out panel. Select the drop-down Payload field and choose the JSON type. An ellipse button will appear to the right of the field. Click this ellipse button to display a JSON edit box. Enter the JSON information you wish to pass as input to the Catenis node. For example, something like this, but using your own asset ID. Click the Done button. Then, click the Done button again to exit the Properties dialog box and click Deploy. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button on the left of the inject node to send the input from the inject node through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the API call results to the right side of the workspace. Great job! In our next video, you'll learn how to work with a Retrieve Asset Issuance History node in interactive mode.